You get cough and you cough for how many years, or you cough for months, everywhere, anywhere, toilet. Don't worry. All you need to do now to follow this procedure. You get some kind of when you say, oh, you want medicine, no more people. What do you need? Now your traditional medicine. All you need to clear that cough, severe cough, and catarrh. Now wait, now just use this ingredient. Your ginger, your garlic. You need your tom. Yes, you need your what? Lime or lemon. Don't need your honey. You see all these things, make them together. Follow these procedures. Come put them for inside fridge. Leave them for 24 hours before you can come back and use them. You see that cough? That cough when they let you rest, when they want to be disgraceful outside, you see that cough, you know where you run in Bakawi be very soon that cough for where you run. Use them morning, afternoon, night, depending on how you want when the cough will go. We'll come back on time later. I beg if you also like this video, don't forget to share because some people don't battle with this cough. Oh, share, drop comment, follow me on my social media platforms. Make chop